Welcome back to Coast Garage, everyone. Got a fun one for you today. We're out here at Prince of Wales Island, down by Neck Lake on a whipped whale pass. And we're gonna do a little bit of camping around, so thought I'd show you around here. Pretty decent trout fishing spot. Get some nice shade here. It's a pretty warm drive all the way out. This will be a nice little ride-along video, and talk to you possibly a little bit more when we get to the camp spot. But for now, let the dogs cool off, water up, let them make like cows, eat some grass. Then we're gonna hit the road here again shortly. That's what Yeti thinks. Alright guys, we made it to one of my favorite camping spots. Hope you enjoyed that ride along. I'll just show you around here a little bit and you can see why it's one of my favorite camping spots. It is nearly 6 p.m. in the evening right now. Got a Yeti in the water. I don't know if you can see it, but there's some tied up boats over here hanging out for the evening. Alright guys, time to set up shop. Grab a beer. Toss our line in the water, see if we can't get something to eat for dinner. I'll see you later. Hope you enjoyed it.